Greetings from Shib once again, everyone. The Joe Biden administration will abolish the Shiba Inu breed. Shib update: the White House released a statement highlighting the dangers associated with cryptocurrencies and citing the numerous crashes that occurred last year. The statement began by summarizing a challenging year for the cryptocurrency space, mentioning the demise of FTX and Terra, but also adding that there didn't seem to be any spillover from the sector to the larger financial system. We'll discuss the Joe Biden administration's efforts to end Shiba Inu. Shib news in this video. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos. Let's get the video started right now. In 2023, Shiba Inu is among the most talked about cryptocurrencies because to its 7% price increase in a single day. Many investors are now interested in learning more about Shib's future and if it's a wise investment as a result of this. Shiba Inu's price has increased by more than 60% so far this year, marking a fantastic start to the year. It has firmly established itself as one of the best-performing cryptocurrencies of 2023 after hitting an intraday high of 0.0015. The improved state of the economy is thought to have contributed to the Shiba Inu coin's rising trend by giving investors hope and motivating them to participate in the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, the success of this digital asset was significantly influenced by these macroeconomic factors. Additionally, the impending release of Shiba AAR, a blockchain backed by Shiba Inus and developed on the Ethereum mainnet, contributed to the Shib's increased popularity. News of Sharum's February 14 launch, according to Cointelegraph, drove the SHIB price increase. The U.S. Central Bank's 25 basis point interest rate cut also had a significant effect on the mood of the cryptocurrency market. The growing regulation of cryptocurrencies as a digital payment method is another aspect that can help the cryptocurrency market. The founder and CEO of Morgan Creek Capital Management, Mark Yusko, believes that because of the expectation that Bitcoin will have favorable macroeconomic characteristics, the cryptocurrency bull market is probably going to start earlier than expected. As was already mentioned, Shib's price has increased by about 60% this year. The increase, nevertheless, might be related to the impending release of Shiba AAR, a blockchain supported by Shiba Inus and constructed on the Ethereum mainnet. Severe steps have been made by the Shiba Inu community to reduce the amount of SHIB meme tokens available. Their efforts have been quite successful, as seen by the fact that over 52% more coins are being withdrawn from active Shiba Inu wallets than previously. One reason for the increasing value of tokens is that a portion of them are burned, meaning they are taken out of circulation. Because of the decreased general availability, there is a higher demand for it, which drives up the price. The excitement surrounding the leading meme cryptocurrency has caused Shiba Inu to surpass the majority of digital asset markets. At 0.461, SHIB has gained more than 32% in the last 7 days and more than 80% since the year's commencement. The Shibu community is eagerly awaiting the release of Shiba, a scaling solution based on Ethereum that is comparable to Polygon. The cryptocurrency exchange Bate revealed a few days ago that BONE, shibaswap, the token used on Shiba for gas fees, was now listed. According to Bate, the shibaswap ecosystem's governance token, BONE, would let the SHIB army cast votes on impending proposals. The user's vote will have more weight in next initiatives the more BONE they own. There are 250 million tokens in total on BONE. BONE's value has decreased by more than 3% in the past day to 1.79. The 110th ranked cryptocurrency asset has gained more than 62% during the past 30 days, nevertheless. At present, BONE's market capitalization exceeds $401 million. The world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, was urged to list BONE by a petition started last week by Shiba Inu fans and supporters, known as the SHIB Army. The purpose of this petition is to respectfully ask Binance to add the BONE token to the trade list. Let's push Binance to board this train ahead of the first conventional brokerage. The request has not yet received a response from Binance, but last month the cryptocurrency exchange pledged 4 trillion SHIB tokens, or roughly $35 million, following the announcement by Shiba developers that BONE would serve as Shareum's utility token, furthering the demands and objectives of the group. The Shiba Inu community has previously launched a number of campaigns and petitions. The Shiba Army's campaign to list the Shiba Inu coin on the Robinhood exchange is one such notable example from the past. It was signed by 559,559 supporters in total. The Shiba Army is now requesting that Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world, add BONE, the governance token of the decentralized exchange shibaswap. The Change.org petition is now active and has received close to 1,500 votes thus far. The anonymous founder of the decentralized exchange shibaswap, Rashi, is the brainchild of the Shiba developers. The Shiba Army will have the ability to cast votes on future proposals thanks to BONE, the shibaswap EOS system's governance token. There will be voting on this proposal in the Doge. The shibaswap DAO is a decentralized autonomous organization. The more BONE tokens a user has, the more influence they will have in these upcoming projects. 250 million BONE tokens in total will be used to cover gas costs for Shiba, Shiba Inu's much-anticipated Layer 2 scalability protocol. The most recent information indicates that this month's Shiba launch will take place on February 14. Additionally, principal developer Shoshiro Kozama has affirmed that the launch of Shiba is proceeding as planned. The petition also states that SHIB, BONE, and Leash will spearhead the DeFi revolution's subsequent phase. It goes on to say, with our advanced and cutting-edge passive income reward system, shibaswap enables users to dig, supply liquidity, bury, stake, and swap tokens to earn high returns. The Shiba Army can also access future NFTs and other resources, such portfolio trackers, through our site, which makes navigating the cryptocurrency world easy and clear. This Shiba Army petition would undoubtedly be quite significant if it were to be successful. The BONE tokens will have enormous liquidity thanks to Binance, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange in the world. As a result, BONE owners and other participants in the Shiba ecosystem will have more influence. The native Shiba Inu token, SHIB, is currently trading at a staggering 133% for 0.0000001417. SHIB is still ranked in the top 50 crypto assets, even with all of the market turbulence over the past year. The White House recently released a statement alerting people to the dangers associated with cryptocurrencies, citing the numerous crashes that occurred last year. The speech began with a recap of the challenging year for cryptocurrency. The senior administration official commented on the announcement, "We're hopeful that Congress will take strong action addressing needs in this space, but we're continuing to push forward on the administrative front, implementing a lot of the executive order recommendations, as well as encouraging regulators to continue their efforts to ramp up enforcement and crack down on bad practices in the space." According to the officials, the strategy is dual-tracked. The person cited legislative measures, such as the letter on cryptocurrency regulation from Senate Banking Committee Chairman Sherrod Brown to Treasury Secretary Janet Yellen, and stated that the White House's own initiatives will be concentrated on matters such as carrying out the executive order's recommendations. The statement from last week made reference to earlier declarations made by the administration, including the framework on digital assets and comments released by federal departments, which included a joint statement from bank regulators last week as well. The statement added, "But the events of the past year underscore that more is needed." Agencies have increased their efforts to combat fraud, particularly in light of the numerous false or deceptive claims that cryptocurrency assets are protected by FDIC insurance. Furthermore, the statement stated that enforcement agencies are dedicating increased resources to combating illicit activities involving digital assets, even though the United States is already a global leader in the fight against money laundering and terrorist financing. I think that given the events of the last fall, we were very mindful of the need to implement a lot of the safeguards that were called for in the FSOC reports, things like segregating customer assets, getting additional visibility into vertically integrated firms, cracking down conflicts of interest, addressing spot market jurisdiction, And that's a long list, but I think they're all part and parcel of how we make sure we'll be protecting consumers and supporting financial stability, said the official. We're done for today. Remember to hit the thumbs up, share, and subscribe to the channel in order to watch our most recent videos.